What's up, tubers? This is Ray from Rayware Computers. Since 1996, got my new website going, rwcweb.com. If you've been failing at affiliate marketing, you're not alone. Allow me to guide you through all the mistakes I've made and how to recover from them. If you're having problems getting your affiliate thing going, stop. Put your best email in the boxes below. Okay, you got my new YouTube channel. Going pretty good. I'm hoping you guys are going to like and subscribe. Working real hard to give you some good stuff here, okay? What I wanted to show you today was Canva. Okay, I'm going to do some Canva. And basically, been using Canva for a while now. Okay, as I've humbly admitted in a lot of my videos, I have the creativity of a lettuce leaf. Okay, Canva makes you an expert. Now, at this point in time, I'm not an affiliate to them. Okay, but you can certainly build a web page with them. All right. Now, what happens is, let's see. I think I did a search. Let's do. Sometimes they have some good, really good templates that they use. Okay, like a nice orangey one here. Okay, so I click on this template, and it's got 5 pages. Okay, so we're going to select all 5 pages, and it'll drop in. Alrighty. Now, what happens? Publish website. You can publish it as a presentation. Open website. It'll go in as a presentation. Which is not bad if you're making like a video presentation for your product or something. Okay, that's certainly useful. You can do it as a regular scrolling site. Now, affiliate marketing, you want to duck walk people right to where you need them to be. Okay, so you don't want to give them too much choices. Although the very long landing pages, squeeze pages, as they used to call them, they're pretty elaborate. Okay, and I've done them. They take a little bit more time, even as a webmaster, but they're very, very, very effective. Okay, all right. So classic navigation, and basically, if you remember from my last video, these are what they call anchors. If you look up here and you see the pound sign, and that's the name of the anchor, just past it. Okay. Now, I haven't hacked this yet to see if I could put a form in here from like Aweber. Okay. And then standard, of course. Let's see what standard is. See which one of these is the simplest one. I'm not sure. I'm not really seeing this difference between this and the last one. Okay. But what we're going to do is we are going to select the scrolling one. Okay. Now, I'll show you this here. I'm going to just copy and paste one of these right here. Okay, and then we're going to edit one. And we're going to just go RWC Web in uppercase. Okay, and the reason why I'm doing that is because I'm going to come up here and I'm going to name it RWC Web in lowercase. Okay, and we're going to publish it and we're going to open it. Now, what they do, it's kind of like ClickFunnels. Okay, you see RWC Web down there. All right, brilliant graphics. And you see up here RWC Web. They won't be like this for every one of them. Sometimes the title, this is your title. Let's see if I can view the source code real quick in title. They got mad source code. Okay, see the title right here where I put it in, RWC Web. Okay, you got to start learning these bits and pieces of HTML. That's vital. Okay, so now we just line wrapped it. Okay, now what I want to do is we're going to select all. We're going to hit Control A as in Alfred, and we're going to select all. Then we're going to copy it, okay? And I'm going to open up my notepad, and I'm going to go to Edit, Paste, and it's huge code in there. That's huge code in there, okay? Now, we're going to save this as an HTML file that we could take with us rather than use this link. Like when they do this for you, okay, they tell you to, you know, share your link. Okay, let's see how it goes in a download. See, when you do a download, it doesn't allow you to do it in HTML. Okay, of course, if you need to download in any other format, that's great. Okay, so you come over here, and if you hit See All, they have a way of doing it with embedded code. Okay, it's not 100% perfect. You're still going to have like a link to the thing, and I don't know how it works in WordPress because I'm not a WordPress guy. Okay, although I use WordPress. Excuse me, I just had difficulties with it. And don't get me wrong, WordPress is, you know, top of the food chain. So here we are. We copied this code, right? We pasted it into a notepad file. Okay, we're going to go to File, Save As. Okay, now this is the important part to pay attention to, okay? On your text documents here, okay, we're going to select all files, okay? And we're just going to call this RWC Web, okay, .html. Okay, now that after the dot on every single file on your computer is called an extension. Okay, that tells the computer what type of file it is. Okay, so a lot of people know this. Okay, it's pretty much common knowledge. So I'm going to select to save that file. Okay, and should have went right into the folder. Okay, now we're not seeing it because I'm opening it in Notepad. So I got to go to all files again. Okay, and it created this file. See that 7.2. All right, let's see if we can make it a little bigger for you. Okay, now we're going to open it, and you've got an instant website file that you can upload to places. Okay, that quick, that easy. Canva is the shizzle. Already set up. Okay, now I haven't really experimented with this too much. Okay, as you can see, what I selected here before when I put the title there. Okay, it shows up here and it shows up here, and you know, it's very simple and easy to edit all this text. Now what you could do, if you saw my video on a two-factor opt-in, you could take this and you could literally take your Aweber link that they give you, like this, where they give you it and it's just, you know, the oh, this one is on my hard drive. See, this is on Canva. Okay, and you could take that link and share it and all, which is great. Believe me, it's great. You do it on Bitly, you know, but you're still gonna have the Canva favicon. All right, I'm gonna be making a video on favicons and tweaking out your web pages, okay, to make them look real professional. However, you know, if this were your Aweber form, okay, you could take the link to your Aweber form and put it on your landing page that you just created with this simple and easy to use Canva thing, okay, and just do a two-step opt-in where they come to the page and then they get some information and then you give them a link and then boom, it opens up the opt-in, you know, the form for them to give you their email, and then from there, of course, it'll either go to a thank you page. I like to send them to a thank you page. Everybody does it. It's like a funnel thing going on with it, okay? So again, it's very quick and easy. And now, you see, this file's on my computer now. Now it's my file, okay? And I can upload it. Again, upload it to my website. You can upload it to Google Docs and so forth, okay? So basically, you know, Canva's pretty good for 12 bucks a month, whatever it is. It's pretty decent. If you know, and I completely understand if you can't afford 12 bucks a month, they do have a free thing that you could do a certain amount and for like 30 days at a time or something, like a lot of programs. Okay, but if you got a buddy or two buddies, because affiliate marketing, you know, they do a lot of collaborating. Don't let these gurus fool you. You know, I've always worked alone because I master all the you know, all the code and everything else. But basically, you know, if you buddy up with a couple of guys, you guys could share the same account, and you know, you can make it like $3 a piece, $4 a piece per month. Okay. So this is Ray from Rayware Computers since 1996. If you've been failing at affiliate marketing, you're not alone. Allow me to guide you through all the mistakes I've made and how to recover from them. If you're having problems getting your affiliate thing going, put your best email in the box below. Just stop right now, go to RWC Web, put your best email in that box. I'll have a lot of great stuff for you. I'm going to ask you very politely, and hopefully you'll enjoy my videos and they're helping you out. If you can like and subscribe, that would be a great thing for both of us.